Hi, this short clip is the first in a series of primers released by Pugatch Consilium. The goal is to provide you with a checklist to conduct biopharma business in China. What are the key pillars that need to be understood? We hope these videos allow you to better grasp your corporate and patient journey in China. We begin with intellectual property, a salient issue for biopharmaceutical companies. Make sure you are equipped to navigate China's IP framework. If you do not have a registered branch in China, remember that Chinese patent law mandates foreign entities to entrust patent matters to a locally established patent agency. Different IP regulations may apply specifically to the marketing authorization holder or the drug's patentee. If they are distinct, communicating is key to ensure streamlined IP protection and enforcement efforts. The first step in the biopharma IP journey is patent protection, which should be filed with the CNIPA as early as possible in the R&D process. Specific guidelines apply to certain biological inventions and inventions using Chinese genetic resources, which will be explored in a separate video. For inventions made in China, such as in domestic R&D centers, a confidentiality review must be requested with the CNIPA before filing any patent application abroad. Within 3 months of marketing authorization approval, you should file for patent term extension at the CNIPA. The extension term is calculated by subtracting 5 years from the number of days between the filing date of the patent application and the date of marketing approval of the drug. This extension is limited to 5 years, and the total patent term is limited to 14 years from the date of marketing approval. Additional exclusivities exist for biopharma. Starting in May 2026, market exclusivity will be granted to pediatric drugs for 2 years and orphan drugs for 7 years provided the marketing authorization holder guarantees supply. Details of this process are unknown at the time of this video. Trial data never publicly disclosed will also become eligible for regulatory data protection. The period of exclusivity depends on the class of the drug, up to 6 years for innovative therapeutic biologics. The request for regulatory data protection should be submitted by the marketing authorization holder to the NMPA simultaneously with the marketing authorization application. Post-approval intellectual property should remain a crucial aspect of your strategy to secure revenue streams. China provides an early mechanism for patent dispute resolution when a generic manufacturer applies for marketing authorization. To take advantage of this system, make sure to register patents related to your drug onto the dedicated platform within 30 days of receiving the drug registration certificate. This video is coming to an end. While challenges persist, China's increasingly robust IP framework offers significant opportunities for biopharmaceutical companies operating in the country. To successfully navigate the Chinese market, you should utilize all available IP tools. Essential considerations include identifying the correct regulatory agency, keeping up with relevant timelines, and ensuring alignment between the marketing authorization holder and the patentee of the drug. Thanks for following this series.